$2 into a solid sum with 3 zeros. Great work, Agatha! Yeah, it is a successful trade again. Look, it's really simple. And now we have a balance of $3,539. $3,000 in just a day, and maybe even more. You won't even need a large deposit to make as much money in a few hours as an experienced program makes in 2 months. And in order to prove to you that it is real, I will start trading right now with just $2 on my account. Hi guys, my name is Agatha and I'm a professional trader. I've been making money on trading for over 7 years now, and I'm happy to teach it to everyone who wants to decisively increase their income level and quality of life. Today, I will show you a simple strategy that will allow you to turn only $2 into a solid sum with 3 zeros. My win rate is 86.4%, so I'm convinced that my strategy will work. But even that's not the most important thing. The most important thing is that all subscribers of the channel can enter trading sessions on my signals, repeat my actions, and make money, even being completely beginner in trading from the first day. All this is completely free, so I don't understand why you are not with us yet. Subscribe! And now it's time to make some money. So let's go to the Quotex platform and get ready to trading. Here I will show you how to properly analyze the chart so that you can open only those trades that will bring us profit. Let's start by adding a few more currency pairs that we will trade today. Let's choose 3 with high profit percentages: Australian dollar and Canadian dollar, Swiss franc and Japanese yen, euro and Swiss franc. That's great. Now let's add the RSI indicator. This indicator will allow us to more accurately determine the direction in which to make our trades. All is done. Now let's start trading. Let's start our trades with $2. Let's choose the first currency pair, USD BRL. Let's turn to the chart. As we can see, it is in flat. That is, it makes small movements in a certain range. Pay attention to this big spike at the candle. This indicates strong selling pressure, and it's a great signal for us to a put option. Look, it's really simple. As you can see, everything went exactly according to the script, and we made our first profit. Well, it's chart. Let's continue. Let's turn to the second currency pair and take a look at the chart. We see a downward movement of the chart here. The price has reached the nearest support level, and therefore a small bounce from this level should not follow. Therefore, in this situation, I open a call option for $3. Yes, we have another win! As you can see, after opening the option, the upward price movement started and we got a profit again. Let's move on. We use the CHF and GPY pair. Here we can observe a very big put candle which touches the lower line of the RSI indicator. This means that there should be an upward movement now. So let's open a call trade for $6. Excellent! As I said, there was a small bounce from the support level and we managed to make money on it. Let's move on to the fourth currency pair and look at the chart. Here we can see how the chart reached the resistance level. Then there was a small correction and it came back to this level. However, if we look at the RSI chart, it almost touched the level of 70, which is the overbought level. And this is a signal to open a trade. We open a put option for $11. Wow, exciting! Have you seen this trade? What a perfect entry point! And we're already down $20. Slowly but surely we are getting there. Let's go back to the first currency pair. Here we see a downward movement with a small correction, when the price rolled up a bit. But there are no signs of further growth here, so we can open a put deal for $21. Yep, here's what I was saying. Reading the charts correctly brings us $40. So far, all of our predictions have come true. Let's see if I can keep my winning streak going. Next, we will see the AUD-CAD pair. We can see how the price has reached the same level several times. This is a local resistance level. As we can see, the price cannot break this level and go higher. So we have a great opportunity to make money on a put option. We open a trade for $40. That's great! Look at that! My trade made me $74. It feels so good to make a profit. Friends, already today you can make the first step to your financial freedom and fulfillment of your cherished desires. To do this, you need to do only a couple of simple actions. Subscribe to my Telegram channel at the link in the description and contact me in private messages. Immediately after that, you become a member of my club of binary options trading enthusiasts. You will receive signals from me personally and earn several $1,000s per session by simply repeating my actions. Don't worry if you have little experience in trading or if you are a complete beginner. I explained everything so clearly and in detail that even your grandmother will be able to make money. I remind you that my win rate is 86.4%, so you can trust me. Financial freedom is closer than you think. Subscribe. The link is in the description. In the meantime, let's continue our session. Let's move on to the CHF-GPY. Here we have an upward movement of the chart. Right now there is a small correction, and after it the chart should go up. So we should open a call option for $75 quickly. Yeah, it is a successful trade again. We have $140 plus on our balance. Let's move on. Let's use fourth currency pair. We see that we recently had a drop in the chart of a large put candles and then began to grow. Let's try to enter the trade on this upward movement. Let's open a trade for $140. Great work, Agatha! Look how well our trade worked out. The key is to look for the right entry points. Sometimes you need to watch the situation from the outside and wait for the right signal. Let's change the currency pair to USD BRL. We see that the chart has broken the trend from upward to downward. Also, the RSI indicator tends to the lower level of 30. In such a situation, we can safely open a put option for $262. And that was a smart move. To be honest, I wasn't really worried here. In fact, it was one of the safest trades. Actually, this trade was just a little bit risky. Let's use the second trade pair. Here we had a small growth. However, globally we see a downtrend, so we can try to open a put option. Now is the optimal entry point for the trade. We are in for $500. And we did it again. It was a little nerve-wracking, but we got a refund in the end. That happens too. The main thing is that we are not in the minus. Let's keep trying. Let's change the pair to CHF-GPY and look at the chart. Here we can see how the chart reached its local resistance level and changed its direction. We want to go against the system and open a $500 put option. Amazing! That's $935 plus to our balance. Let's move on to the fourth currency pair. We can see how the price has approached the upper resistance level and the RSI indicator has also come close to the level of 70. Well, the situation is already familiar to us. We opened a put option for the amount of $935 and wait for our results. Brilliant! Another successful trade is sent to our piggy bank. We already have $1,748 on our balance, so I will enter all trades at $1,000. It will be more interesting. We use the first currency pair. We see a very sluggish upward movement. Seller's resistance is gradually getting stronger. This indicates that the trend is about to change. So we wait for the growth to slow down and open a put option. It's simple. If it slows down, we open a put option for $1,000. Excellent! As I expected, the put option made a good profit, $900, and we already have $2,649 on the balance. We have only one successful trade left to make to the cherished goal. My God, I hope I can do it. Let's open the second currency pair. If you pay attention to the indicator, it has recently crossed the 30 mark. This is the oversold zone. This is the most important signal to open a call option. Therefore, I open a call trade for $1,000. Wow, here is one more addition to our account. Our last trade brings us another $890, and now we have a balance of $3,539. This is an amazing result. In just 30 minutes, we managed to go from $2 to $3,500 thanks to such a simple strategy. Friends, this is a fantastic result, but it's possible in binary options. And you saw it all with your own eyes, because I was trading live. Well, friends, you've seen it all with your own eyes. We started with just a few dollars, and now we have over $3,000 in our account. Did you like it? Then like this video. Don't forget about my Telegram channel. There are not only whole trading sessions in which, by the way, everyone can participate for free, but also explain step by step how to trade on binary options, how to use the trading platform. If you are a beginner, I even show you what buttons to press on the platform. I also give support to all participants every day. That is, you can expect that in a couple of days you will understand trading and can already get your first money, even with very little knowledge at the start. Yes, for some it may seem that trading strategies are difficult, but actually everything is much easier. I will personally help you with it. Imagine, you just need to enter the trades following me and you will be able to consistently get the same results as me. I'm not sorry to share my experience with people. I will gladly guide you step by step into the world of trading and help you get to a new financial level of life. And these are a few feedbacks from my grateful subscribers who are already making money from trading. I would love to guide you step by step into the world of trading and help you get to a new level of life. It's all for you and it's all free. You don't need large sums of money in your account to make really big money. All you need is to be able to analyze charts. Do you want to develop this skill? Be sure to watch other trading videos on my channel. The link to them are right on your screens. If you still have questions about today's strategy, just write them directly in the comments. I'll be sure to read everything and answer each one. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell to be notified about new useful videos on my channel. The next one will be very soon. In the meantime, we all deserve a little rest, so see you soon!